Right, guys, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing everything about the new update, the park, the cosmetics, and everything, like I said. And let's go. I'm going to check out the pack first, because that'll be the easiest. Oh, look, watch my eyesight. Boop, 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 boop. It turns more blue, and look. I'm swimming now. That's cool, that. I like that. And now onto the cosmetics. Starting with these. Sorry, Right, so starting with this. Oh, look. Watch. It's like. Oh, no, I could. Let me just get a bit further back. What happened there? It didn't even set off. Let's go that way, like. Why is it not turning? What can I say? I can't even move. Get it out of here. Whee! Oh, that was a good one, actually. Let's see, can I get it up to the second floor? Nope. What? Daisy me roll. That was a better one. Right. Stop. Boom. This is probably one of the better furs I've ever had. I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm not saying it's good. Oh, I'll go this then. Whoa. I thought this blew up. Someone told me that it blew up when you used it, but... Ooh. Does it drip? Oh, yeah, look. You've got to go boom, boom. Oh, look, it's an orca. Boom. Boom. Bang. Bang. Boom. Bang. Oh, it pops. Right, so now I've probably done that. This. Oh, my nose. Oh, my nose. Look. On to the next cosmetics. Set up cosmetics. Do. Right, so now I'm on to this surfboard. This shell, where you put it to your ear, it gets noisy and you can hear the sleep. Hammerhead. The eyes are rolling. Some hair. Look at this shirt. Oh. Right. Me strong. Those are the cosmetics then. I've heard that there is updating caves. Why did it put me in a public lobby? Turn back my private code. Oh, look at that. I'll check that out. I've checked out caves. Apparently all the crystals are blue or something. That's not blue, so it's definitely not. Let me just go down. Whoa. Whoa. Where? Whoa! Oh my! What's that? What's these? This is cool. It's like a horse. Giddy up, Sharky. Right. I'm guessing the name's going to be like Mark or Dark or... I like the name Mark the Shark. That's a good name. Now let me just check out Mark because I want to see if Mark can swim in here. Mark! Mark, can you swim? Can you swim, Mark? Oh, he's from Scuba Gear and yeah, he can swim, look. Look, he's swimming underwater. Right, quick. Goodbye, Mark. I'm not sure if that's all of the update, but let me just check out all the other maps. Wait, no. If Matt got an update, does that mean that Doug got an update? Doug! Oh, this is an update. Look. Boing! Oh, look, there's Doug. Let me do something. Doug, I'll be 1 minute. It still works. I've tried it like a G-Tech fan game. Doug, can you swim? Did Doug just fix through the ground? Let me try that again. Wow, how's Doug there? So if there's any background noise. Right. Right, and that's it for today's video. That's the new update and everything. See ya.